Hey everyone, I'm Nick, one of the engineers here at Arena. Got a quick video today to show you how to install the wheels on your platform. The kit comes with two wheels, there's a left and a right. Two screws, these are a little bit longer than the ones we're going to be taking out, and a 4mm hex key. So to start, you want to get your platform up on a bench, on the bed. You can do it on the ground if that's easier for you, but go ahead and find a place, flip it over. We're going to start and take these screws out. Take the feet off. You want to save the foot, but take that screw and set that aside. Do that on two of the feet. Doesn't matter which two, but you want it on the shorter side of your platform. That's where the wheels are going to go. Then we will take one of the wheel brackets. It only goes on one side, and you want the wheels on the outside, so that will sit right on top there. Then take your foot, put that back in place, and then take one of the longer screws provided with the kit. Drop that down in there and go ahead and screw that until it's tight. Great. And then we're going to repeat that on the other side. Bracket, foot, longer screw, down in there. And turn that until that's nice and tight. There you go. That's it. Now you got some wheels on your Arena, and you're good to go.